Quora, a very popular place to gain and share knowledge. It's a platform to ask questions and connect with millions of people who contribute unique insights and quality answers. According to Hrefs, Quora has a domain authority of 91 and traffic value of 32.1 million, which makes it one of the most popular websites in the world. Quora is a high-authority site, and getting a link from it to your money site, even if it is a nofollow, is part of any good rounded link profile. So, let's get started. Copy this search string and paste it on Google search bar. After pasting the search string in Google, replace the word keyword with any general niche. For example, baseball. Now, you have a list of Quora questions in your niche, with at least 1,000 views, and only one answer with a single upvote. Let's click one of the links. Here you can see that this question has only one answer and has got 1.2k views. Now that you have learned using this trick, let me explain how you can use this trick to gain maximum exposure on Quora. After you picked up a question you want to answer, write a post on your blog which complements the answer and link it from your Quora answer. You can also choose an existing post from your blog for this purpose. You should write a better answer to the question and get 2 upvotes to your answer to become the top answer. This method will help you achieve 3 things. You can build relevant links to your website from Quora. Drive relevant referral traffic to your website from Quora. Get popular content ideas for blog posts you can easily rank for on Google. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe our channel right now. Thanks for watching.